Hello everybody and welcome back to Summer Run. Oh, we got some tree cutting to do today. Yeah, words are hard. Now, I got this guy here warming up. I'm gonna tab to the shop. I changed the attachment on the front of the excavator that I own. It's not the normal tree cutter thing. It's a tree cutter attachment that you see like on those reality shows and stuff, or an actual it's for you to grab the tree off the ground, then shred it and cut it. But I want the one where you actually put up against the tree, and that's only available on the bigger one. So I might actually do a little flippy floppy. We have a little extra cash right now. So, yeah. Let us... Where is it? Where is it? There it is. So I want a bigger one that comes with this. Harvester head. That's where we're going to take all our money. But I think it'll be worth it. I kind of want to play with a new toy too. So, I'll take this. This is quite a big chunky piece of equipment, if I don't say so myself. That is a mighty big piece of equipment. It's totally the improper way to load this function. Load this type of equipment, having the boom 14 foot up in the air. It's alright though. Who knows, it might... Oop, one light bulb, two light bulb. It might not do what I want. I don't see how it could not, but... I can just change it to the fast coupler to plant the trees with it. This also might be a little easier in areas with hills, because I know that struggles. Also can handle mighty big trees. It'd be nice to have 2 corners. To leave one here and travel with the other one. Excuse me, friend. Scrape it down the side of a brand new piece of equipment. Okay. Huh. Cozy. Oh, what's this set at? Definitely not 5. Oh, we could do... Interesting. I literally could just shred the whole tree. In one go. Huh. I'm actually gonna put that to 20, because I think that's the length of the trailer. It's like eerie quiet out here. I kinda like it. I kinda like it better than the blue one. Oop. Tree still... Oh, it hit another tree. So tree still wins. Huh. That was weird. The controls just completely stopped working there for a second. Yeah. The auto line stopped working. It was working like 2 seconds ago. strange. I think I did watch a video. The last video I watched, Dagon was having the same problem. Flexible game, vehicle, lights, Platinum Edition. Okay. Yeah, it just buzzes. Huh. Might be an excavator thing. Interesting. I like it though. Weird that that stopped working. Yeah, it just keeled out. Excuse me, tree. That was a test purpose we did with the old excavator. Definitely keeping it. Just wanted to see if it still works on this. Why? It literally was working 2 seconds ago and then it just stops. Strange. Huh. Very strange. Very, very strange. do some nighttime tree logging. I had to disable it or something. Let's try out the lights. Yeah, it's pretty good. Yep, she's dead in the water. It's just so weird. Must have hit something. Yeah, the stumps. So weird. Still puzzled why that stopped working. Oh well. Let's move on. is darker than Dorka here. It'd be cool if they put in, especially on this map, it would be in all trees. If yeah, I'm actually gonna take this over because I need to get the grinder. I want to do some drifting. Well, that pillar's quite annoying. Actually, gonna shoot right up to the house and get some sleep. Let's go 7. It's brisk February 1st. It's quite picturesque, actually. Should be parked over here against the building. I kind of like it being a winter wonderland. It's nice. Now, if only they had, like, ice freeze. That'll last for a lot, though. Come here, Mr. Carrier. A bit of a frame stutter. Come on, a little bit farther. Perfect. Take it back. Open. Open. This is gonna work as intended. This is actually working out very well. I don't want to shred all my profits. Can't beat that. Good enough. Good enough. We gotta. Oh, I'm picking up. Sure, the icon doesn't change up in the corner. Whoop. I just harpooned myself. Yeah, I'm horsing around. Yeah, I'm horsing around. This might take a while. Maybe I will just drive down the road with the trailer. I kind of didn't want the whole episode just to be me cleaning it up. Maybe that is what we'll do. I wonder how deep this snow can actually get. Or is this the max? Not a proper thing would be going to come down the road here, but meh. Well, I wasn't experiencing any frame rate loss in this area before. Well, I never. Well, I'm recording now, so I guess that plays a total. Whoa. Extreme frame rate. What button was it? No. Definitely not that one. I don't know what that is. Huh, more fabric. Oh, there it is. Kind of hoping this will work out better. Like it's just picking up the small ones. Because they're too big. They're full-length trees. So it's being weird. Oh, whoop, 60 frames. Crazy. Dude, the trailer can handle full-length trees. I wonder why it won't pick them up. Note to self, I need to change the excavator's tree length. Maybe we'll have to load those by hand. We're supposed to be having like 1,000 horsepower. This is actually like kind of slow. It's all about the torque, though. Technically. May have to load these super strength style if it's refusing to pick them up. Yep, refusing to pick them up. Oh. Oh, hold on. What? What is going on? Yeah, maybe they are just a little too long for the full length. Okay, well, I'm gonna get these loaded. Hey, full length, yay, so cool. I'll be back. Send the last couple of these up the hill. Minus these other tidbits. Yeah. I'm gonna adjust that before I forget. Definitely not 20. Or just leave it at 12? Yeah, leave it at 12. Because, in case I want a container, it's gonna need to be at 12. And strap it up. Can't see. I hope this is enough to fill it. I got pretty damn close, I should say. That stop sign gets the most abuse. Alright, take this back over. I hope by that time maybe it will process all the logs up into the sawmill. I'll take the trailer back over. I'm actually gonna go up to the landing. These are just going into sawmill, so if I have to, I'm just gonna cut every tree that's up there in half. So it loads. I need to turn that Jake brake off. What? There's nothing there. Oh yeah, we're definitely have to cut all that stuff in half. I gotta redo this landing too. I don't like it. There we go. Alright, how much does the sawmill have now? And the shingle factory is out of planks. Cool. 70,000. Shingle factory is out of planks long. That's no problem. Come here, Mr. John Deere. I'm in need of you. Could have just super strengthed it, but nah. Why would I have the ability to play with this? This is sliding down the mountain. Not mean to do that. No. How do you send it to... Yeah. Go way down there. Thank you. Yeah, it's... I don't know how to access this stuff, but... I did. Definitely gotta work on this landing now. I don't know if I have to put the yarder up on a hill. That would be optimal. Good enough, I guess. Thumbnail. Yep, and by the time this video comes out, I'm gonna try something. I'm actually going to... I'm gonna post another video. Different game. Maybe Minecraft, maybe not. Let's see how good it takes, or if it tanks. Maybe I shouldn't. I should start the other series up. Maybe. I like this map though. Excuse me. Do more videos often. Maybe. Maybe that's the key. That's a good load. But with that being said, I think I'm gonna end it here. Might do a little bit more logging depending on the weather tomorrow. I should probably market do more logging. I'm gonna take a good chunk out of that forest. So until then, thank you all for watching and the continued support. And I'll catch you then. Later.